Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6. We are on revision. So last video we have discussed chapter number 5 and chapter 6. So I think chapter number 8, 8 and 19C, 19D you can manage. If you have any doubt you can ask. I'm going on chapter number 22 and 26 as they are important ones. Of course these two are also very important, but I think you will manage it. Okay. So, simple linear equations, chapter 22. So, simple linear equations. So, what is the basic concept? The basic concept is a mathematical statement which shows that two algebraic expressions are equal is called an equation. While explanation, I had already told, when is equal to sign comes, you should understand that it's a linear equation. Okay. For example, you can see here x plus 5 is equal to 7. So is equal to comes means it is linear equation. Linear equation. Equation means equal to. Okay, so this part is called LHS as it is on the left hand side, and this part is called RHS as it is on the right hand side part. Okay. So let's see. So let's directly start solving. And you know what is linear equation? Linear equation is which contains only one variable with highest power 1. So you can see here x, 4x, x by 7, or you can see here again x, y, a. So these are all variables, means in this complete equation only one variable. In this complete equation only one variable. Here also one variable. So you will find one variable in the sense, now see, you will say here also, here a is there, here also a is there, but they are of same kind, means they are like variables. So that is allowed. But here a square and here a, that is not allowed. Okay, that's not linear equation. Okay, or that we'll study later. So first what you should understand is it contains only one variable with highest power 1, means a raised to 1, that is a. Okay, not going much deeper, but we have already discussed, just brushing up. Okay, so let's see how to solve equations. I'm little faster because you know na. So solve x plus 3 is equal to 10. So what I have to do is I have to keep all the variables to LHS and transpose. Transpose means transferring constants to RHS with their changed sign. Okay, so x I'll keep on LHS and plus 3 I'll transpose on RHS. So it becomes x is equal to 10 already here, minus 3. This plus 3 when goes to RHS, it becomes minus 3, that is 7. X is equal to 7. Okay. Similarly, you can see here x minus 5 is 2. So x is equal to minus 5 goes to RHS. Now you will say why to transpose, because I have to find value of x here. So minus 5 goes to RHS, so it became 2 plus 5, that is 7. Alright, now this was very easy. Question number 1 and 2 of first exercise are like that. Okay, plus 2 goes to RHS becomes minus 2, minus 3 goes to RHS becomes plus, minus 3 goes to RHS becomes plus 3. Now third one is multiplication. Now how to solve this? 3x is equal to 12. So that same question will take 2x is equal to 6. So what I'll do is I'll just 2x means 2 multiplied by x. 2x means 2 multiplied by x. So x is equal to 6 upon 2. Why? 2 multiplied by, since these two are related to each other with multiplication. So this 2 when I transpose to RHS, it goes to divided by 2. It becomes division here. Like plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. Multiplication becomes division. So 6 upon 2 will give you 3. Okay, the answer will be 3. Now one more type of example you can see here. Y by 2 is equal to y. So y by 2 means y divided by 2. So since it is y divided by 2 when goes to RHS, it becomes multiplied by 2. So just ignore this. What we have studied in our classes, that we will see. So 5 multiplied by 2. So 5 2s are 10. Okay. So 5 keep it on LHS, transpose divided by 2 becomes multiplied by 2, which is equal to 10. Okay. So same way you can solve these exercises. Now next exercise you can see how to solve. So 3x plus 8 is equal to 14. So first what you will do is first transpose all constants to RHS. So you can see here plus 8 is constant. So what we have done is, so 3x is equal to 14 minus 8. So plus 8 became minus 8. So 3x is equal to 6, right? Now this became like this type of question, right? So 3x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 twos. This we have already solved. Okay. Here also m by 3 plus 7 equals to 11. First transpose this plus 7. Step by step we have to transpose. So 2 times transposition is done here. Plus 7 when goes to RHS it becomes minus 7. Okay. So m upon 3 is equal to 11 minus 7. So m upon 3 is equal to 7, 8, 5. Okay. So m is equal to 5 multiplied by 3. So m is equal to 15. Okay. Okay, I'm extremely sorry. This is 4 and 4 3s are 12. Right. So this way you have to solve. So these are all the exercises which we have already done. So if you have any doubt here somewhere, please let me know. Okay. And because these are some different questions, just transpose, just solve for x. Find means keep all variables on LHS and keep all the constants on RHS. Okay. And then find out the final solution. 22C we had already cancelled, and now exercise 22D, a number increased by 17 becomes 54, find the number. So we have solved it in class. A number means let the number be x, so number increased by 17, so number is x plus 17 becomes means is equal to 54. So my equation is x plus 17 is equal to 54, and then solve like linear equations. So I am not explaining in much details, but if those who have doubt or have some problems, please visit my previous videos. Okay. I'll give you link again if you want. So just what to say, just see if you can solve by in classwork, and if you have any doubt please ask me. Okay. So now let's see chapter triangle. Chapter triangles are 26. Yeah. So in triangles you have to keep two things in your mind. Two things, you will say which two things? Two things means angles of a triangle, that is the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree or they are supplementary. And second is exterior angle of a triangle. What does it say? Exterior angle of a triangle. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its two opposite angles. So this is exterior angle. What is its two opposite interior angles? These two. So angle x or x is equal to angle A plus angle B. Okay. So at each vertex exterior angle plus interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So same way you have to solve such. Now you can see 26A. In each of the following, find the marked unknown angles. I told you while I was taking classes in school also, in videos also, I told when you get such type of figure, 1, 2, 3 and one angle is unknown, just it should come in your mind that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is, the sum of interior angles are supplementary. So 70 degree plus 72 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree. And solve like linear equations and find out the value of z. Okay, in this you can see 1, 2, this 50 degree plus 80 degree plus b is equal to 180 degree. Why? We have considered this triangle only. Here also 40 degree plus A plus 45 degree is equal to 180 degree. We have considered this triangle. So same way, the angle sum property, we have to find out value of A and B. Here you can see x plus 60 degree plus 45 degree plus 20 degree is equal to 180 degree, because we have to consider this outer triangle, this triangle. Okay, if I name it A, B, C, so angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So angle A is what? 20 degree plus 45 degree. So you have to take these two both, and here x plus 60 degree. Now next is, can a triangle together have the following angles? So just add them, this plus this plus this, or this plus this plus this, or this plus this plus this. Just see them whether its sum comes 180 degree or not. If it comes 180 degree, yes, they are angles of a triangle. If it comes less than 180 or more than 180, they are not angles of a triangle. Here also you can see. So in all these things, in all these questions, you have to use only two properties. So you can see here, same properties, angle sum property, here also angle sum property. Here exterior, since exterior angles are given, so exterior angle properties. Okay, we have done it in the class. Go through my previous videos wherever required. This you know. Classify the following triangles according to angles, according to sides. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please ask me. Exercise 26B is cancelled, not coming in the exam. So this exercise is really important. So please study, and if you have any doubt, please send it. Thank you so much, and please take care.